Hi, this is Dane with SIemplify. This video is for service providers that want to learn how to use SIemplify's Security Operations Platform to deliver successful services and delight your customers. SIemplify's goal is to shorten the time to value for your new customers. To start, our robust multi-tenancy feature allows you to quickly add a new customer and edit their details all from the environments area. And then using dynamic parameters, you can set each customer's service level, ticketing system integration, industry, or any other parameters that you need to. This is useful for applying playbooks to all customers within a certain industry to deal with specific regulations, for example. SIemplify's flexible cloud-native architecture connects you to your customer's local environment by using remote agents. Importantly, using remote agents eliminates the need to manage VPN connections for every customer network. Setting up remote agents for your customer is done from a single location where you can see the status of each agent. Once your remote agents are deployed, you can begin viewing aggregated customer data in the dashboards area. Data can be filtered for specific customers and includes items such as the products being used, alert distribution, case status, threat types, mean time to triage, and an overall alert reduction percentage. This level of transparency is a great way to build trust with your customers and improve retention at the same time. The engine that's needed to drive automation is building accurate playbooks. Once they are set up and running, you will see customer satisfaction improve due to the ability to scale their team's bandwidth. SIemplify has over 200 integrations in a large partner ecosystem, so you can build virtually any playbook no matter how complex your customer's technology stack is. The drag-and-drop playbook builder uses triggers, actions, flows, and blocks to build your playbooks. For example, here's a phishing playbook, and within this playbook, we used an alert type as a trigger, then a workflow comprised of different technology actions. We also added a multiple choice question, which helps your analysts ask questions like, do you want to escalate and contact the customer? If yes, the case is automatically assigned to the customer, and then the customer receives a notification of a new case. Then the playbook can ask your customers if they approve of blocking a file hash or a URL associated with the phishing attack. The playbook monitoring feature allows you to analyze playbook metrics, such as which are being run the most often by your customers and the status that they're in. Workflows can also integrate with your customers' ticketing systems such as ServiceNow, Jira, CA Service Desk, or even Slack so that they can easily manage responses to these questions. To get started with playbooks, SIemplify provides out-of-the-box use cases in the SIemplify marketplace. They're very easy to deploy, as you can see in the carbon black example on the screen. Note that you can create your own use cases here and provide them as an add-on service to your customers. The result of all this activity in setting up your customers' integrations and playbooks will yield much more effective case management. Under Cases, you will see a list of cases from across your customers. Your analyst can then filter that list for a certain customer, investigate it, and when necessary, you can share high-priority cases with that customer to access. Within the case, SIemplify has a patented approach to grouping common alerts in a threat-centric view. Then within the action parameters area, you can have your analyst decide if they want to share the case with the customer or make other manual decisions. Now let's switch over and see what your customer's experience is like when they log into SIemplify for complete visibility into their managed operations. When your customer receives a case from you, they will see an update in the user notifications area, which can be sent via email, a ticketing system integration, or even a text message. Now, while in the case, they'll have visibility of everything you have done to this point and can continue to chat and tag you in cases by simply @mentioning your analysts. Within the action parameters area, you can allow the customer to click a yes or no to questions like, would you like to block a file hash or URL? This leaves no room for error when collaborating on investigations. Aside from routine operations, the SIemplify platform also helps you handle crisis-level incidents, which will require your customers to put all hands on deck. This is where the Command Center module comes in, which you can package as an add-on service. Customers with access to the Command Center will have the ability to take your escalations and invite their HR, procurement, legal, and external partners to collaborate and handle an incident together. There's a live chat feature that enables your team to communicate in a secure way, as you would on Slack or Teams, but with all chat history retained as part of the incident. More features of the Command Center can be seen in our demo video on SIemplify.co. SIemplify also enables you to deliver threat intelligence services by aggregating entity-based threat data so you can draw conclusions for the benefit of your entire customer base. This is a differentiated value proposition for any service provider in the business, and one that is made powerfully simple by our platform. For example, as we click here on this file hash, you can see we have a customer with several malicious cases related to this phishing attack that uses a PDF called paycheck_December15th.pdf. You can then reference other customer cases from this central location to see if this attack is more widespread and put other customers on alert if desired. Using the entity log feature, you can make comments as you go to keep notes in a single location. Finally, SIemplify offers a powerful embedded business intelligence module powered by Tableau to give service providers visibility into trends and insights. Reporting is typically a manual process that service providers have to perform for every customer separately and uses a lot of time and effort. With SIemplify, though, reporting and analysis have never been easier on trends like which alerts are drowning you the most, which products are the noisiest, your analyst's current workload, and how much time it takes to resolve alerts on average. This type of reporting can be exported to a PDF, a PowerPoint, or any other format and used to answer your customers' questions on your activities on a monthly, weekly, or even daily basis. As you can see, SIemplify has more focus on service providers than any other SOAR vendor. SIemplify Security Operations Platform provides everything you need to deliver high-value security services at scale while keeping your customers delighted and your margins healthy. SIemplify helps service providers demonstrate value, address customer complexity, weed out inefficiencies, and thrive in the hyper-competitive security services market.